Welcome to this quick guide where you'll learn how to invite an accountant to Gusto. Whether you're managing a small business or just getting started with payroll, inviting an accountant to your Gusto account can streamline your financial processes and ensure everything is handled efficiently. Let's dive right into it. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to gusto.com. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your login credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to Gusto. The interface is user-friendly, but it's always a good idea to know where everything is located. Now, look towards the upper menu of your dashboard and find the People tab. Click on it to proceed. This section is where you can manage all individuals associated with your organization, from employees to collaborators. It's the central hub for adding and managing your team. Once you're in the People section, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Add Person. Click on this button to reveal a drop-down menu. Here, you'll find various roles you can add to your account, but for our purposes, you'll want to select Add Collaborator. After you've clicked on Add Collaborator, a new window will pop up, prompting you to fill in some details. Start by entering the first name and last name of the accountant you wish to invite. Follow this by entering their email address. Make sure you double-check this information to avoid any errors, as this email address will be crucial for their access. Next, you'll be asked about their relationship to your organization. In this case, you'll select Accountant. This designation helps Gusto understand the role and responsibilities of the person you're adding, which in turn assists in setting the appropriate permissions. Moving along, you'll need to specify what tasks or areas you want the accountant to help with. This step is important as it allows you to tailor their access to the specific needs of your business. It keeps everything organized and ensures that they only have access to the information necessary for their role. Following that, you'll see the option to select Access Permissions. Here, you can fine-tune the level of access the accountant will have to your Gusto account. This could range from viewing payroll data to managing tax documents. Choose the permissions based on the tasks you expect the accountant to perform. Once you've made your selections, review all the details you've entered to ensure accuracy. It's always a good idea to double-check everything before proceeding to avoid any future issues. Finally, click on the Save Collaborator button. This action sends an invite to the accountant, granting them the access you've specified. They will receive an email invitation to join your Gusto account, and once they accept, they'll be able to log in and start working with you. And there you have it, the process of inviting an accountant to Gusto is complete. By following these steps, you ensure that your financial operations are handled smoothly, with the right people having access to the right information. If you have any questions or need further assistance, Gusto's support team is always available to help. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your business endeavors.